All small belongs to me. Big Nash is my taste, so don't come cross my way. Door to door, reloaded. Door to door, reloaded. Oh yeah. Door to door, reloaded. Landlord virus, girls, landlord virus, girls, daddy sugar. All the big girls be mine area. Gangster, champion virus. Call my name, maybe gangster, champion. Go to door, go to door, oh, go to door, oh, yeah. Go to door, go to door, oh, go to door. International between us. All you need is your money. I go talk if you no shaking. Kenya gave all my money to Nana, yeah. And she showed me bad, oh, Nana, yeah, yeah. Oh, oh, yeah, yeah. To reload it. To reload it. Oh, yeah, yeah. To reload it. Richmond, I go chop all the school girls. I say, all the school girls. To reload it. To reload it. Oh, yeah.
The things you do for me, nobody can do. You don't blow my mind, hello, tomorrow. Nothing's compared to you. Look at the man in those cry. I'm serious. This week. You are wonder. I never see this guy before. Wonder.
Why are you? We're cleaning them one very nicely.
But I'm Venice.
Yes, dear.
Maybe I'm not talking about the baby.
That's it.
I just like you. The way you are, the way you
man,
speak.
I'll be watching in the senior, man. You watching and I want to say.
Me uncle see, hey, waterproof. It's so kind of cries.
It doesn't mean say would the best senior man. It means that coincidentally a toast woman and yes.
Okay. But I'm Tawasimo. I really love you a lot. Especially how you speak to us, how you communicate with us. Madam, I've been wanting to ask you this question. Why did you decide to be a teacher? What motivated you?
I was once a girl child and I needed someone to coach me what to do, what not to do. So I didn't get that. So I decided to become a teacher so that I would be there for all girls that need me. Look at
you. No wonder. I understand. I get it now. No wonder. That's why you're always tough with us.
Yeah.
Sometimes you are harsh, but I understand.
Oh, look at you.
Madam, what will you eat today?
Let's eat rice. You cook that your nice rice, then we eat it together. Okay, before you go.
Alright, I will do that. But where is Madam Pukia?
I think she's going to get some groceries.
Oh, okay. And what about
today being weekend?
Sir Richmond.
Sir Richmond, I think he'll be in his room.
Oh, okay.
I've told you about men, you know.
Yes. You
have to be very careful.
Adult education. I remember.
Any man that will tell you anything that he think is not okay by you, come and tell me, okay?
Okay. And what if the person is a teacher?
What are you saying? If the person is a teacher, that is that gives you more reason to come and tell me, because I'm also a teacher. I'll be inside. If you need anything, tell me, okay?
Sure.
Just knock on my door.
All right, I'll do that. Madam Venice.
What?
It's about Sir Richmond.
Sir Richmond? What about Sir Richmond? Did they try to play with you?
No, not me.
Your friend? Which of your friend? Which of your classmates? What's her name?
It's Cynthia.
Cynthia. Sir Richmond tried to play with Cynthia in a bad way, trying to tie Cynthia.
Okay, I will try and ask Cynthia what really happened, because
was it Logoligi?
The last time.
How did Cynthia describe it to you?
No, I actually banged on them.
You banged on them? Were they hugging?
I'll ask Cynthia very well, because I didn't see them walk.
So what did you see? Were they hugging?
I'll ask Cynthia.
Okay.
So, madam, you can be inside. When I finish, I'll come and call you so that you give me the money for the groceries.
All right.
Sisters.
Okay.
Oui.
Friend.
Ay, Nana.
Sala.
Ayu kan bi na no awe ma yebo ye no.
Eno ayebo mo.
What
done na wanwane no no otwe mu.
Enjoy.
Uko ni suade. Ade.
Say, Tangana, where they say, I'm married. Say, there are no more than 10 cities, minions, you cry.
Eh, okay. Won't train anymore, or what?
Are you below which I'm quite a
What am I? You'll be too many. When I'm more excusing me,
eh? What's the day?
I'm missing
10 cities, and I'm the amount you swap. And I said, I'll go to school. Mamma, 10 cities is 15 cities may eat 10 amount of could in his own. Now, what's the question? I'm paying and I know maybe I could blow 10 cities and catch or to us what on 1 80 or 12 on 1 80.
Man, as it 10 cities, 10 cities, then I made a photo. Come
on. When you've been apprentice, 10 cities, dear, now the photo. Na me panyin kura enye 5 cities ne kura me eno kura no beba na masadi aka banku amu abenya biadi say 10 cities na obeka asem kura nka twen na wadamfo ne nkwe na nim na obeka we ya kire no yes umume ugu manim ase ya kire no
manesa
uhu se kwase ampanyin na no akeka sa akire
ma de bia ka asem na ase odinim papa atem sa say asem aye ka me papa de obeye de
o hwe wa nka nye ni
Sada na ya nukume mu baby amejina na mu baby ametina so school where we so ade school so to me no school sebe edinimdie foforo ede
no grade teacher for na class
na ye mamu so wo an go school aya ye mfa wo so nye de enye hwe
Tagbo. How would they Nadi Fufu alo da when Nadi?
me di dan dan ready
I say oh mami.
quiet.
Diet one and a more.
Oh, okay. Hey. Hey. You know, person I need your body. So, that's a BBI and a say. I am police. Police.
And I will meet me about this one.
I don't recording.
That be a
That's all recording.
That be a call.
How? For we so you will be an hour. I love you. Yeah, sure.
Huh?
Young
What do you do? Okay. What's up? What's up? Okay. You cool?
What's the kind of
Swagger.
boy? Okay, I'm not sure what did you see. Yeah, but you will come. Tiana, what they
I BBI was running. Everybody on your police. We said, oh, yeah, dear, respect me. Eddie too many. I'm assuming family and child. I'm a one, if my wife. Zakula, why you in here? For my wife. Are we? Jammy, your first if I try first, let me do that. Mr. Yamiadu, I did change the menu. The Yamiadu, once in the other change the amusement. We young coupon out of my baby. Yamian, sit out.
Young of your corner, not for that. Sister.
Jacket.
Hey, no name so fair. I know you feel right. You will fear 18 hours.
What validation, Papa? Which room to see? If you ask me, my wife. Oh, minute, barman, and a barber. Why, young friend, and some sombre. If we the moon will fear her. Oh, yes, moon will fear no money. My way who going yet. My way who. If I was seeing country or so, oh, okay. I'm Mukro Mashanta the pound.
Wash your money, I see my refee. Wash your money, which Amica, Yami, which you must see it, Martin. You know, can be Bisenka, one tipipa. Maybe once I'm not kind of make a joke. Okay, or so one tipipa. One tipipa, I said, while run on my ear. Aha, I opened the monon, the mona in tipipa. Na me yes enka. Ya e chana wo ba why? We no so about you want people no we to be. Oh again. Ya nko ya ba nsa pan. Ya ba sa ko nsa pan. Ene abugani atibeti. Ya zemo. Ya. Debia me man says na mama for 1000. Me man say Megan, no.
You see, I can't tell you, I say, oh,
my name, from 1300.
Only the Mubarak.
Ah, that's only
no. What's the thing from my fan?
Hey!
Balaga.
Thank you. What's away? History be our national book.
You and Aquaba. What's it there? Amasewo. I say,
the whole Ghana. The whole Ghana also there. If you're a small boy.
Baby, young boy, you did tell me so.
I don't know. We are after to bow. We know. After to.
Mammy. Was it? What happened to? I want to be a blower.
We're not necessary.
Or besides, I want to be a shall.
And I get you. Okay, never. I say case 5 million.
Yeah. Hey.
How can I? Now I'm going to hey, where are the two of you doing? Ah, I'm going to ask them to 10K. No. Hey,
hola, hey,
10K.
Mubatino.
Hey, 10K.
What in our shoe? I'm about auntie.
Me go Kuruma. Are you for an Emununa?
Hey, Lord, what is young one? Maybe I'll put Ganama. Oh, you get off of it.
Swagger, schoolboy, international between now. All you need is some money, I go talk. Give you no shaking.
Now, who's your idea?
How the Ugraba going to do
I said, they be me who is our baby.
The teachers for any kind of work. Ugraba going to do the idea. Huh? Ungo be Ugraba goes to the idea.
But so the home will be there. Hey, swagger.
And some guy would do. Hey, Jaman,
Watch you.
I'm sure.
I'm away. I only know school. Outside way. Mr. Siamaban. Ah! Oh no, okay, your friend is I'm gonna call what's area on now. Hey, what you need to know?
Richmond, I go job all the schoolgirls. I say all the schoolgirls. Door to door. Door to door.
Sawachi, come back.
What did you create with them?
Mrs. Sawachi, come back. What do you want to book about the Jawa? You book Runapako inside.
What do you want to read them? Go on, not that
Hey, come back.
Besifa book will go on. I don't know.
I'm booking you.
So, don't feel what's up and coffee.
What is that play or adolescent age? Eh?
Adolescent age. Say. What the book they become?
Hey.
What an class on?
Oh, yeah.
One number.
I am never true. Over the moon, watch you.
I'm not ready.
No, I never watch it. I'm young as a mere wounds and yes, young guy. Yes,
and am I okay? I have briefly. Let me can't fix the crap.
Oh, sir, I don't tell you because in the Phoebe. Maybe.
Oh, excuse me.
I hear the school for the yeah.
Let me tell you, any male teacher you accompany to the house, make sure you don't enter that man's room. Do you understand? Not just a teacher. Do you understand?
No.
Give the book to him.
Don't put this thing around. Hey, Fadi, I didn't go inside. Why are you doing this?
I'm telling you, I don't know how often.
Budget.
Okay, that's bad.
Yeah, we can have a few, right?
I'm the first time of you, and
Only problem. Man, show me sick.
Okay.
What's that? Maybe you'll be having son. Man, show me sick. Why? I'm channel over.
Oh, no, maybe. I see.
Now, my classes and
open the pan and meaning the India as a Open it for me, you tell us. Go for about 2 minutes.
Mate, we can not show him.
Mate, okay.
Kasayo.
Go for about
What's that?
Richmond, respect yourself.
No, madam. Madam Dennis, I respect myself. I just need to respect yourself. Get yourself. Get yourself.
Hey!
Listen, do I put in this something to me?
Give it to me.
Hey!
Give it to me. Go home.
Ade, when you must
book any go I say no. So what you mean to start fanko with them?
Dabi why won't me fanko? Obi so dey kwa ma me so a. What
me o pese me de call.
Wo kwa dey on fanko, me nim so dey on fanko.
Me dey me fanko.
E dey na kwa dey kwa ma me. Me marking homework no agi di kofi.
O mark after the kola ni homework o mark wo dem.
Listen one man marking.
And by your home I don't want for be man be marking homework wo dem.
Be man no me fa dey man me.
Share me catch be ma kra po de ni si akra me because wo dey bi betimi aye bibia. Wo betimi aye bibia. Mesrewo.
Ade a why you want?
Mesrewo, I will report you.
No, Ade.
Mrs. Saudi I will report you.
What report to who?
Report to who?
Yeah, report to who?
Which law? Hey.
There be any mean this idea. Mr. Society, Obeba Benin may decide na. Mr. Report to.
Do we have any law in our education system say akola the book ba fie bejawa obe round them?
Yeah, we have law.
Do we have a law like that in our education system like that?
Yeah.
We don't.
We don't. We have law.
We don't share. You don't even understand why did you even go to teachers training? How can the government employ you?
Ade why am the one ade.
You sure say your employees be proper school mo. Na ade be
teacher. What una farm teacher na? Asema ka una farm teacher.
Yeah, fine. You could be out now. Obon for us and it's like
mini pan. Yeah, kasi na also no show ni. Ana wan sedi.
Dabi.
Onze yeah kasi na wo hwe woni. Ba na nkoma wo die no chese opesa wo bua wo. E wo kwan bi so. Ba kwan opesa ofa so bua wo pelai. Ti o so opesa bua wo mu skani ante.
Mempeno.
Ose
mempeno.
If you move on ebo.
And today,
nipa na beka asase me chiro kwa na bia obetima ka say mpe ba if you remember
what ka chire na na se wo gen kra na ba na mensu medisi usu se fa ban se me mpe no
se wo nimi ana hunu se me ntwa na mfonso ma
nti na kra
nipa na sa post ni mo
me se tete di sneakers abana so
obedi sika nyina o hwe ba wen so nya yi o ne sneakers na post ni so nya ba do le check yi
but tete de nso no hisi tete de na no hisi we
o me tete last time hu ne mpaboa ne so
oh anu hisi
tete mpaboa no kura na ase asa mamai live ya se tete fra bi hu de opeso kire tete na ne ma na tusi o ma na ase wa kire okora de ma ase wo de mamai bi afam hu de opeso
kire tubo o bi to teams 2 black bi or oja e di goons yo my white
ne kwakwa ne say I do know that
abi I know that nso ne dey
you know
say dey
there was a wuti when I adwuma ben na me no ye
oh san okay so ready so aga just oh the me be business o person de me business
me mfa unye be bad say ye immune ya nsa be koya no ba nye business ya say
what the kind me yes adie we with Kenya cry no cry hu ne ekosie who said the be ka ho
ai Kenya
pacho me timi yes adwuma no
me wa ma me manu ansi o me kan be si asem so
na na sa fa ngongo jusika
they want to you we dey go jusika
no me dey o ton ade ma na say ya wa me mo sa de no ton me ya wa asa wan ka sa 30 minutes o feri no say dey you o ye hwan asa o feri
bi babo a wa sha na o di ogunzio
na ya white na o ka so pe black na ka so pe white
etu ka de be ko
na say we ton black and white ma wa she black and we o kro na banana white the Christ ya so mo da weekend o mo se viana be do I'm the Jupiter Baby program. Tell me, Akra Gassin.
I'm going to put them more. I know,
I don't know. I'm going to Watch me at the front. At the side. If only I got beans no. Now got it.
Me can't be siasem
so aga ya madam fu me pesa line no me pesa
se bi o mpensa ahemfuchi na ebi de bi achi we ni dike ya achi Kenya wo fom kra ana one Kenya eye fitani sika obi ya ma wono boy sika dollars sin Kenya what you say sika Kenya e de be ma o month no boy ye day seconds obi tim de ama wo Kenya be da for man da ben na obeboa ana bebi ayi madam Venza mote no say ayi guy no mu fi no omote no owoska nti ebe ya ge ndro pi Kenya na nke ni we ni hihye ho ana de wo mkra say Kenya ne wonda da nti ke ade sin ke Kenya ne wada da na ebi abeka say ne enkrofo no wode da but Kenya ne wonda da
okay say
konkonte efo ni abete photograph let me be aboko efo ni pano efo ko peto no sa unze ba ko na uja no no woto se ya o ana girl na amwa no so ko fa ni krom ni aba osa ko fa to foforo na aba na ba ko na eto tuntum we eto kokko efo wo gina ni basa
lawo yo sa wo foresight go so ba na ho
why na so be ni zo yo ba
wahwe ni
na nyo na ekui emamu foresight ni na ba mu
one legs
good morning I want to say azuma ba I won't know. I thought Anthem went to that be correct. So Anthem went about a cut teaser.
And then could you check I won't see a crowd no how only meeting come say your friends say who you swan ko be mo to so wa bruchi
Abaswaga we oba ko be hadwene
me hadwene
wo ye be mampo na asa wo just first one me business
me go for the minimum no ana minim se won se ye obi o wuska ba ni nsem nya dai ni se chi edene ba we ni nsem go what does it
it's me yes said man
nana ya did you dey am kan jam go for that
it's one the legs the hips and
couple pa nanti oba ifu wo ho ifu akofe na free jiko go ta no aba na we ne foresight na dey
na woni memo ba to da bia na so ye ohun samwe
masa na say
wo girl obetwa mu
na say live dey okon kra wa ye yawa adinji na obekwa akofa girl adinji
mi dunya me say go si sa girl we ya
odo nya me nyina wo
se wo si sa girl we ya e ma na di ma e di o maji no
enya dan bia na renovate ya fu
edan agise wo kreska
edan no esi abo ma esi abo
agise wo
esi trasako so esi trasako
agise wo kreska foundation na ni hia watimi anya foundation na agi
no obi ni free voter na bawo
na dey be a godfather pen and sabeka so aga no pese ye dangerous
we say we power nan da obi no we atwem
na the we ni sanu ko jiji sika na wanya ye ni ma de obeti
o nya hwe pen na ope wasem na o chiuska why
so aga o de medwem
nana ya se we nya ndwen ho bia nana ya o tie me
ana ase won ge ase achi ubi sei
miss meeting de na kwa akra
hwe masa yo ne ma yo efo nipa o efo nipa efo mo nya broken heart wasua mako ekrum
efo asem so
akwa dan na ho aba
asem so ya mala
ana mo kan sie ni beda ma yehwe we na me hwe yin hu de ebeto kapo
ya hwehwemoku mame na hwehwemoku ko site na hwehwemoku mame ne jai de
how is serious there
na dey say mame ke
efo na de ne ba yo
min kan se men sire ba akokra wo mu
I'm afraid for no one else.
Ji ja se mu no free for